So, are you trying to import the vector index retriever from LlamaIndex but getting the module not found error, no module named LlamaIndex.retrievers while importing it? Let's fix it under 60 seconds. So this error happens because LlamaIndex introduced changes in its latest versions. What used to be directly available in LlamaIndex has now moved to LlamaIndex.core. If you're using code from older tutorials, blogs, or other examples, it might reference the outdated module paths, which is one of the reasons why these errors take place. So now to get the solution, simply replace LlamaIndex.retrievers with LlamaIndex.core.retrievers, where the vector index is now stored. So now if we run this, it has successfully imported. So the vector index retriever is now stored in the LlamaIndex.core module. And that's it. Error fixed in seconds. If you have other such similar issues, check out our channel for more quick fixes and solutions. Subscribe to stay ahead and control AI before it controls us. Thank you.